This is a nice place for the kids, Surge. And when you check in, you have to sign a waiver, then you pay. And then from that point on, is lots and lots of fun for the kids. They love it. They don't have any food, any big time food unless you're there for a party. But it's still a lot of fun time had. My little granddaughter had a good time while my daughter had fun with her. And I just relax while they enjoy themselves. It's nice. Take your kids. They will enjoy it. Y'all check out my granddaughter. She's going to have a doll baby on one side and she on the other side. And don't come for me. Yes, my granddaughter have a white Barbie. We don't discriminate in our family. It's white, black, Puerto Rican, whatever. Okay, we do it all. Whatever she likes, she picks out her doll babies that she enjoy, and that's how it's supposed to be. Don't start none, won't be none. Hey, my granddaughter's scared of that little thing there. She said, "No way, Jose." She's scared, ain't she? My granddaughter ready to go. The big kids taking over.